Hey, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today is launch day for February Masterclass project, and I have created us all a true storybook character. This is my interpretation of the Tin Man, and he's my new guy. I absolutely love him. He's big, he's strong, and he's very, very handsome. Let's take a closer look. So here is my interpretation of the beautiful Tin Man, one of my favourite characters. And isn't he just so handsome? Everything about him is shining and beautiful. There's so many pieces to this little guy, and there's so many ways to be creative with this pattern. It's been just an absolute joy to put together. I love working with something completely different, and this beautiful tonal look I really, really enjoy. I want to do more of this sort of thing. So if you have made my beautiful Bob and the Robot, this is a very similar pattern, and in fact I'm going to photograph them together because they just look so good together. So the opportunity to embellish and use all sorts of hardware and all that sort of thing, I've taken all of those really key things from the original character. As you can see there, we've got a sculpted nose, we've got beautiful jointed ears, jointed teddy bear ears, so you'll love that, and certainly you can use that moving forward. What a fantastic little funnel hat there. All of these fabrics that you're seeing here, they're all pure wool felt. They just have these different finishes. This is the metallic, and then we've got a bit of the glitter felt, which is non-shedding. Everything else is pure wool felt. You can certainly make him up in washable acrylic as well. And he's got all sorts of bits and pieces. He's got shoulders, he's got little cuffs, he's got little knee covers, and the all-important heart, of course, the heart of that beautiful boy. And I have just had the best time. I can't even tell you, it was really strange. It was like he was coming to life on my table every day. And I don't usually have that kind of feeling. Every now and then that happens with a character that I make, and this little guy, just so close to my heart. Maybe it was the heart thing, I don't know, but I loved him. I've given him blue eyes because it just works so well with the silver and the red and those mixed metals. I know that so many of you are going to do just incredible things with this pattern. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing him. There's so many different techniques that we've learned along the way, and some new ones there to learn as well. So you get everything in this pattern, all of the bits and pieces that go with him, and you can add on whatever you like you can see I have here with a couple of little charms and so on. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing him, and I'm very excited to see what you're going to do with this project. So cuddling up to my new guy here, Mr. T will be jealous. He's been jealous all month because I've been so absorbed in this one. I've absolutely loved it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and tell me all of your ideas and plans for this one. I know you're going to do amazing things with him. And remember now, if you are not a member of Masterclass and you want to make this project, his pattern and full step-by-step tutorial workshop is available in my Shopify store. I will put the links down below. Thank you all for your support of our website opening. It was very exciting, and we're still adding to that. Keep watching, keep checking in, and if you have made any projects from any of the items that are listed in my store, if you leave a picture and a review, you'll receive a 10% discount, and you can leave as many reviews as you like, and that bonus discount code that you are given you can use anytime in the future. There will be lots of new one-off projects going up in the future that you can't get anywhere else. So I do appreciate all your support, everybody, and your kindness and your kind words. It's really helped me through a very, very busy time, and it's not slowing down. But looking forward to seeing more of you creating and being able to create by being able to purchase these items individually. So thank you so much for your feedback. Everybody have a fantastic creative week. Keep on paying all those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.